We're even in the pond. Yeah, Bessie in the pond. Or Bess. Huh. Jackson says, okay. Okay then. Huh, that's nice pond. He's nice. He's laying in it, huh? Come on, Jackson. Don't make me come in after you. Come on, Jackson. You good boy. See, we love this spa mud treatment. Oh, now y'all are swimming. Come on. You're in the deep end. Come on, Bess. Good girl. Wow, y'all are good. Look at you. That was a long swim. You did a lap. How about you, Jackson? Huh? How about you? That's great, huh, Bess? Here you go. I feel good on the old hip. Oopsie, come on. I'll come in after you. No, I will. Come on, darling. Come on. Oh, it's getting too heavy, huh? Come on. Oh, did you swallow some water? Come on, honey. Come on out here. Come on. You're getting tired. Come on. No, no, no. Come on here. Come on, that's it. Atta boy. Say, wow, that was refreshing. Okay, Bess. Come on. Come on, let's go in here. Come on, Jackson. Jackson. Come on, Jackson. Bess. Come on, Bess. Come on. Come on, Jackson. Come on, Bess. So you're kidding. Come on. Come on, that's it, Bess. Come on, Jackson. Come on, Bess. That's it. Come on, Jackson. You need help up that little hill? Come on. He wants to go back in swimming. Come on, Jackson. Okay, we gotta get Jackson in. Come on. He says, I'll stay on this side. Come on, honey. Come on. Oh, I gotta get him. Come on.